Ford Focus engine shaking and burning smell diagnosis. I noticed there was a bunch of oil sitting on top of the valve cover here, so I pulled the coils out and they're soaking wet with oil. And then down in the spark plug holes, they're completely filled with oil, all four of them. There's not supposed to be oil inside the spark plug holes like that. So that's causing the misfire and shake really bad. So valve cover gasket needs to be replaced, spark plugs will need to be replaced, and possibly the coils will need to be replaced.